This episode of Metal Chopping Block, we're doing Belly of the Beast Eggplant Parmigiana. Okay, so to start the eggplant parmesan, obviously we're going to have to start with the sauce. So here are the ingredients I have with the sauce here. So obviously I have sauce. Mom, what are you doing? I'm trying to film an episode here. What are you doing? I'm trying to make some eggplant parmesan.
No, you don't know to make eggplant parmigiana. Ma vattene, non sai più, che vero?
So you want to make it?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're going to help me do this,
Yeah.
you're going to help on one condition.
Wow.
You got to wear a shirt that I tell you.
Oh no, I like my shirt.
We'll be right back. Now we're talking.
Now we start.
So we got her in the proper gear for the show. Now, Ma,
Yes.
I'm in your hands. You tell me
Okay,
what to
no
do.
problem at all.
I'm gonna need a whole lot of this.
Yes, my
Okay,
can
let's get
dream.
started.
Okay, we start like this. You need two Parmesan.
So we need 2 eggplants. You pick them. You don't want them soft. You want them nice and stiff. You told me about picking these things. So you want them nice and stiff, not soft, and you don't want them all bruised. So if you see these, you've got a beautiful skin on it. That's nice, stiff. That's what you're looking for when you're picking an eggplant.
And then now we start the peeling the eggplant. Okay, now we start like this. We start to cut the eggplant, and you can cut on the quest.
Okay, so she's doing them probably, I would say, 1/2 inch.
With a little salt, in your hands, just a few drops.
So the salt is doing to the eggplant what it does when we salt the beef and we put the steaks in. It draws all the moisture out of it. So that's what you're salting it too, letting it sit. It'll draw all
You
the
have to
moisture out of the eggplant.
You have to sit a little bit.
Stick a little bit. It draws all the moisture out of the eggplant, so you dry it out a little bit. So it's in the food processor, and you got to chop it extremely fine, right?
Yes.
Very,
With the
very-
garlic.
With the garlic, that's right.
4 pieces of garlic.
4 pieces of garlic, 4 cloves of garlic, and everything chopped very, very fine till it's almost a puree.
Okay, now we need 3/4 extra virgin oil of the cup coffee.
So 3/4 of a cup of espresso coffee. So now, what she's doing is she's sauteing the onions and the garlic that she pureed in the food processor. So it's in olive oil being sauteed, and I think now she wants me to start with the sauce. So let's see
Now,
what she
before
wants.
the sauce, wine.
Apparently,
wine.
I need the wine before the sauce. Now I have to open up the 2
La
tomato
passata.
sauces, la passata, it's
Yeah.
tomato sauce, 2 tomato sauces for her. So she uses 2 bottles.
Yeah, now we put the wine.
Okay, so we're using about a 1/2 cup of an espresso glass. Apparently not that one, this one of wine. Use as much wine as you like.
Now, the wine, you have to wait till, nice caramellate. Niki, come si dice la...
So what you have to do is you have to have the onions and the garlic caramelizing with the wine. So you keep stirring until it gets to a nice consistency, and then we'll see what she has next.
Very good. And now we need the passata, the pomodori. Okay, now we have to put the salt, juice, one teaspoon. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we need the basil. Just a little bit, it's not too much, just to give a flavor there. Okay,
Just a little bit, not too much.
we cover and we let to cook for about 3/4 hours.
So it's gonna cook for 45 minutes, the sauce.
Okay, next step, we have to do, just a minute. We need this
Just a
one
minute.
to make la pastella for the eggplant.
So what we're gonna do in here is we're gonna make a batter.
Yeah.
And then the eggplant's gonna get covered
Yes.
with the batter.
Yes.
That's what we're doing. We use 5 eggs, right, Ma?
Yes.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of the salt. Now the peppers, just a gram. Now, Nikki, take this back and bring me persimmon and garlic, please.
So what she's trying to say is bring her some parsley and garlic. How did you say it?
Garlic
No.
and persimmon.
Parsimony. She means parsley. Holy shit, this sauce is starting to smell friggin' amazing.
Once in a while you have to check the salt, just a turn, 2-3 turns, and then go back again till it's done.
Okay, so this is the 5 cloves of garlic, which I'm putting into the batter mix. Next.
Yeah. Next, it's cheese, Parmigiana cheese. You have to put 5 teaspoons of Parmigiana cheese.
5 tablespoons. That's not a teaspoon, it's a tablespoon.
Oh yeah,
So
sorry.
5 tablespoons
Yeah,
of Parmesan
sorry.
cheese.
Now, we need 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of flours.
She said 6, but obviously we need 5 tablespoons of
I
flour.
say 6?
You said 6.
Yes, sorry.
So she needs 6 tablespoons of flour.
Okay. Okay, now we need the eggs parmigiana, the eggs, eggplant. Okay, we put everything inside.
You just throw it in like that?
Yeah.
You don't place it nicely, you just throw everything in?
Yes. Rock and roll.
I'm going to be a good little assistant, and I'm going to do the stuff that she doesn't like to do, obviously. We need to grate this mozzarella, so let's get to grating.
Now, next, we have to make a bechamel. We need 2 cups of milk.
So what she's saying is bechamel. So we have to make some bechamel, so it's 2 cups of milk.
Okay, warm up, Nikki, in the microwave. Just warm up, no boiling.
How long?
Warm up, 5, 6.
So we're going to warm this up in the microwave for a few
Okay,
minutes.
1 minute.
So for 2 minutes, we'll warm this up in the microwave, and we'll get some nice warm milk.
Okay, now we need 2 tablespoons of the butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. Now, 2 tablespoons of the flours, okay? A whipped spoon of wood spoon, turn a little bit, make sure you don't burn the flours. Okay, Nikki, pass me the milk. Then, with warm milk, pour inside. Put the heat a little bit up. And you have to stir till it come thick. The next step is la salsa under.
So we're putting sauce at the bottom of the pan.
Okay, now we need the Parmigiana cheese, just to split a little bit around. We need again the sauce. Okay, next, put the mozzarella. And then we start again with eggplant. Again, Parmesan cheese.
This is fantastic.
Now we put the bechamel, the last one. So now, at the end, push a little bit inside the eggplant, that the bechamel and the salsa go right through.
So what she just finished doing with the spoon is she poked some spaces into the eggplant, so the bechamel and the sauce and all the ingredients flow in between everything.
Help to cook.
And it helps cooking it all, and it just spreads the flavor through the whole thing. So Ma, this is going in the oven. So this show is based on metal. Dante, your grandson, does all the music, so it's pretty heavy. So you got to do a lot of this. Give me some horns, and bang your head,
And then salute.
and say up the irons,
Up the
up the irons. You can do it. Say it.
up the arm.
Up the harns. Okay, up the harns. So the oven got to 350. So we're gonna open her up. Put the eggplant parm into the oven.
Now it's ready, the Parmigiana, and then we take out and we put right here.
So it's got to sit for 20 minutes, a half an hour to cool down a little bit and let the juices absorb back into it so we can cut easier, and then you can eat it or you burn the top of your mouth like crazy. But holy smokes, it looks freaking beautiful.
Okay, now we're ready to cut the Parmigiana, and you can cut the size how much you want, okay?
All right, so this is the most important part of the video. The parm is now finished. Pina, thank you very much for cooking this.
That's my pleasure for you guys. And rock and roll.
Rock and roll, that's good.
All right,
Good stuff, boy.
so we're gonna try this now.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit,
No.
yeah. Bon appetito.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetito.
Okay, we're gonna give this a
You
try.
already, yeah? Friend, go.
I
Go.
can't wait to get trying that.
Go in.
How was it?
Buona, buona.
Bueno. Delicious, boy.
Mara, is good?
Oh,
Let your voice
that's
inside.
so delicious. Pina, I remember the days when me and Nick were working together and you used to cook for us almost every day. I
Yeah,
miss those
remember?
days.
Yeah.
Yes, you're a fantastic cook. Thank you so much. So, salute, sempre duro.
Sempre duro.
E rock and roll.
Salud.
All right, so we come to the end of this episode. Nick, thank you very much, and thanks to your mom for cooking a great dish.
It was awesome. It's really good.
Fantastic.
Obviously, you went for seconds. I had mine off behind the camera. Anyways, so thanks for watching Metal Chopping Block. Till the next episode, sempre duro, up the irons. Have a good one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. All music produced by Dante Chavule. Cheers.
So with the eggplant parmesan, we're going to start with the sauce, obviously, first. So here's the ingredients I'm going to be using.
Nick, what are you doing?
Mom, I'm trying to film something over here. Like,
No,
seriously.
ma con la mano.
No, No, you're not supposed to say that.
Yeah.
So I have some basil. I have. Okay, let's try
Nicky,
it. Hang on.
what are you
You're supposed to
doing?
come earlier. Okay, try again. Okay, so to start the eggplant parmigiana, obviously we're going to have to start with the sauce. So here's the ingredients we need.
What are you doing?
Man, I'm trying to film something over here. Like seriously.
Yeah, mamma ha detto subito.
Again, holy.
Okay, hold on.
When Sam tells you to come in, you do this. Everything was perfect. What you did. Just don't say he told me to come in.
No.
Yeah, but tu ha detto già, tu
Don't
evolved.
worry about it. Don't worry about it.
She keeps saying it. No, she keeps saying.
Just let it go. Just let it go.
Okay.
Ready?
No, but I don't want her to say.
Don't worry. Just let it go.
Okay.
I can drink.
Don't worry about it. This is for me. So she uses a cup of wine. What she's using for a cup is an espresso.
No, that one. This one. Nick, don't stay like you like a chooch. Please bring me some eggs, please.
I'm gonna fill my glass too.
Wait.
So you have to remember all this shit again. Working with unprofessionals really sucks. Once it starts browning, so it doesn't burn, you start seeing it get goldy brown, you cover it with aluminum foil. I can't even say it right. Put foil on the top of it. That way it doesn't burn. Stop laughing at me, Sam.
Okay, just a
Thank you.
minute, just a minute, just a minute. And then the rest of the salts that you have over here, you can make spaghetti, i linguini, fettuccine, e salute, e buon appetit.